Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, June 2021, variant 13, question number 11 we have here. And we have given equation of curve, which is here, y is equals to x to power half plus k to power x to power negative half. He said k is a positive constant. Keep your eye here. It means if you get a negative value, we will eliminate. Even if you get a zero answer, I will not take. All right. Find the coordinates of the minimum point. Okay, you can see that curve is coming here. So this is a point of minimum here somewhere. And give in terms of k. So let's start job number one. I will differentiate. So power comes down and power from power 1 less. Half minus 1 become negative half. Same story here. Negative half multiply with that. Negative half k to power 2. And from power 1 less, I get negative 3 by 2. And afterwards, try your maximum, make the power positive. If it goes down, become positive half, and half is called root. Same story here. 2 already available down, and this will go down. I get an x to power 3 by 2. But you know, student, 3 by 2 power, I leave it here, no problem at all. Or I can write half plus 1, because half plus 1 give you 3 by 2. Or I can write separate, in this separate, this become x and this become root. So in future, if I any number you want to convert 3 by 2, so we can write x root x. For example, 5 to power 3 by 2, we can write 5 root 5. So same story here, we can write x root x. If you don't write this, so no problem at all. And as we know looking for stationary point, I will plug in derivative 0. This whole thing will go left side and become like this format. And this will stay as it is. This will go, sorry, he's asking for what? Find x coordinate. So what is the best technique? So this fully goes there, and what happens? K square. This full value I bring on up. So root x cancel, 2 cancel, and I get x value. You can see from here. So x value is coming with us is k square. So alhamdulillah, I hope so. This part is very, very clear. But he said no, he said coordinates. So I will get how to find coordinates. I will plug in this value back in equation. So let's see how to plug in equation y. So this value will go here. So k to power 2 on the top half. This will go here. K square already there, and 1x and power is negative half. And this value will go in the bracket. I hope so clear. So this half and 2 outside will cancel out, and I get what? Only k. But what about this one? So this one, if it taken in, okay, first this cancel, I get negative k, negative 1 power. If I bring in denominator, I get a positive power. And this will cancel the power, so I got a k plus k. So I got a 2k. So it means answer become k square and 2k. I believe the point is very, very clear. So first part completely over. Let's go for next part. The tangent at a point on the curve where we have 4k square. Repeat, the tangent at a point on the curve when x is 4k square intersect the, okay, first of all, I show you some idea. Okay, let's say I just show you a little more banded form. Okay, and tangent is he said that that where x value, okay, even I checked on the top. So this 4k square is somewhere here. Okay, so it is very hard to manage to show like this. So I'm just showing this. Let's say here. Okay, so this point x is very clear, is say x value 4k square. You can see here. All right. He's saying the tangent at this point. So let's take a scale and look. So I take a blue color line, this cutting. I hope so clear. So this is a tangent. You can see that tangent at a point, this intersect the y-axis of P. So this is a P point. And he's asking y coordinate of this I'm looking for. So let's see how to find. So first of all, students, I'm looking for equation of tangent. And what is technique? For that technique, I'm looking for the gradient part. So gradient part I have already, this is called derivative, is also called gradient. So this part I will take from here. So when I take this part from here, so this is a gradient part, okay? I write here dy over dx. So what is the point I'm writing here? At x is equals to 4k square. This I took from here. As a plug-in in each x value, let's see what happens. It gives us tangent gradient. When I keep it here, so I get 1 over 2 and 4k square root. Same story here. So I write 2 outside and this goes here into 4k square and this go in the root also. So what I get of tangent, students, so 1 over, this is a 2k, so become 4k. And what is this one? This is a k square up available. This is a cancel totally with that. 4 2s are 8. I'm getting here 1 by 8 from here. And this is coming 2k from here. So ultimately I get a 1 over maybe a difficulty space issue maybe. So I bring it up. So I get what, students, here? Gradually, I'm looking for equation of the tangent. But first of all, get of tangent. So this is 1 over 4k and minus 1 over, this is, I think, 16k. So take LCM, 16k LCM, and this is same. I got negative 1, this 4 to 16 is a 4. So gradient of tangent become what? 3 by 16k. But this is a tangent. So what about the what about story? He said the tangent gradient is this one. So I'm writing equation of tangent. So y minus y1 equals to m times 2x minus x1. So this is a what a point. Very interesting point. This is x1 is this. So I can, and m is this. So let me try to plug in 3 over 16k x minus, and x1 is a 4k square. But thing is that, do we have a y1 value? No. Answer is no. So how to get y value is from here, go on the curve and get the y value. It means 4k square, I have to plug in the top equation. So I will plug in here 4k square. So let me try do it here. At x is equals to 4k square. When I plug in this equation, student, let's see what answer y coming. So x 4k square. On the top we have half. Same story here. I'm going to plug in here same. 1 over 4k square. Hold on, let me check. Yeah. So it is a power is a half. Wait a minute. Not like that. So it means k square already and x to power negative half. So like this. I got a 4k square. So let's learn what happens here. This 4 to power root is 2. This is cancel. I got 2k from here. And what about this? This is a k square already available. This goes down. And, actually this goes down, become this way. So I get 1 over 2k. K cancel out. I get a k by 2. So LCM is 2 and 2 2s are 4. So 2 to the 4, 4k plus k. I get 5k by 2. So I hope so. This is a y value is very clear, 5k by 2. Okay. So this y value, I can plug in 5k by 2 here. 5k by 2. Now this is the equation of tangent we have done. Now he said, please prove it when cut the y-axis, and at y-axis, all of you familiar, I will put x0. Reason because it's cut, okay. So now I'm going to find it. When I plug in x0, what happens then? So 0 means this gone. So this will multiply with this and this will add. So let's try to solve it. Okay. And I will write this part here. So y minus 5k by 2 equals to negative this 4 cancel. And I get what? I get 3 over 4k. That's it. Repeat. This k will cancel k square because this x no more there. So 4. So I think this is clear. Now this will go and add only. So I think I can just type in my calculator. So this will add in that value. So I am typing in my calculator directly. So negative 3 by 4 and plus 5 by 2, and I'm getting 7 by 4. So y value is coming 7 by 4k. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe you got a point. This is a y value. So this part is also clear. Let's go for next part. The shaded area is bounded by the curve x-axis. The line is this and that. So let's go for diagram. So shaded area, you can see clearly shaded area. Lower limit, this is called x1. This is called x2, and y equation you have already available. And we have to look, we have to find out we have to find out what a shaded area in terms of k. So let's start. Basically, what formula, student, we have about x-axis? Formula is x1 x2 y dx. All right, so let's plug in the all values. So if I plug in x1, so what is x1 value, students? Concentrate. X1 is 9 by 4 k square, and upper is a 9 by 4 k square. Upper value, you know, is this 4k square. Upper value is 4k square. And y value, we know equation of curve, and that is not available here. I will take a copy from here and bring it down. So this is a y value. Okay, student, I believe you're understanding up till now what is going on. So again, lot of algebra. Anyway, no problem. And what is the rule of integration? Increase the power by 1. So already half, I have it. Half plus 1, 3 by 2. Same story here, 3 by 2. K square untouched. What is this one? Again, increase by 1. You got a half. And down also half. A limit I'm writing here 9 by 4k square and 4k square. So I believe I think up till now, no problem at all. And you know, students, 1 by 3 by 2, when fraction come in the fraction, it will flip. So become 2 by 3. So this become 2 by 3. I make it easy, 2 by 3, x to power 3 by 2. Same story here. So this become half. So sorry, this become 2. So 2k square x to power half. And now I'm going to replace the values. And you see, okay, algebra is there, huge. Anyway, let's complete the area. So first of all, I replace this value here. Okay, although I can do one same trick here, I just show you what a trick I can do it here. 2 by 3 x times 2 root of x, because 3 by 2 power, and 2k square and root of x. So this way, I think so question becomes easy. All right. So let's try to solve. So when I plug in this everywhere, so let's see what happens. 2 by 3. So 4k square comes here. So 4k square. 4 square goes in the bracket, 4k square. And when I 4 square here, I got 2k square into root of 4k square. So I can say here, I got the upper limit is done. This upper limit is over. Upper limit over, negative sign now, and I'm going to apply a lower limit now. So when I apply a lower limit, this value will come here and here. So let's see, 2 by 3 times 2, 9 over 4k square in the root 9 over 4k square, and plus this value will go inside the root only, 2k square root of 9 over 4k square. So students, now I'm going to simplify. I first bring attention here. So these 2 4s are 8 by 3k square, and what gives us here 2k, because root gone. So an ultimate, and what about this? This is a 2, root of 4 is 2, 2 to the 4. I got a 4, and this is a k, and k square become k cube. And ultimately upper this part is done. So let me simplify. 8 to the 16. So I get a 16 by 3k cube plus 4k cube. So I take LCM of this part. 3 is LCM, and 3 multiplied 4, 12. Okay, I'll show you full steps. So 16k cube and 3 multiplies there, I get 12k cube. And I'm getting here 28 by 3. 28 by 3k cube come from here. So this part is done. Let's go for second part. So when I talk about second part, students, so let's see second part. This is, I think, cancellation process here. Some 3 1s are 3 3s are 2 1 2 2s are. So what I get from here, I get 3 by 2 k square into. So root of 9 is 3, root of 4 is 2 into k. So again, I can say clearly this is done. So what about the other part? 2k square and root of 3, root of 9 is 3 and 2 and k. So I think so now it's gradually becoming easy. 3 threes are 9, 9 and 2 twos are 4, 4 and k square become k cube. Negative into positive, negative. This is 2, 2 cancel out. This 2 is cancel out. I get a 3k cube. Okay. Or I think so better to if I write in bracket is better. Okay. So let's talk about this thing. So 4 is LCM from here, students. So 9k cube copy and 4 threes are 12. I get 12k cube. And 12 plus 9, 21. I get negative 21k cube by 4. And now what is technique now? LCM is 12. So 12, how to complete? 3 fours are 12 and 4 multiplied by 28k cube. 4 threes are 12. So in 21, 3 times to that. So let's complete it and check. So 4 times to 28 minus 21 times to 3. And it gives us 49 over 12k cube. And this has given area, unit square. So I hope so. The point is very, very clear. And question is completely over.